Hey guys, and welcome to day 15. I am Carly Edwards, and I'm a copywriter and content strategist, and I work with people in the pet industry. And I've been doing a 30-day video series where I'm talking all about how pet businesses can better blog for their business. So, today I want to talk to you about how to use Pinterest to drive insane traffic to your blog. I use Pinterest for my Gone Dog Mad blog, and it's my biggest traffic driver. And I always suggest it to my clients and other pet businesses because I know how freaking awesome it is for pet businesses specifically. So I always suggest it, and if you're not on there, get on there because it's great. Okay, so the best way to leverage this platform is with the following steps. So first of all, you need to optimize your profile. So you want to have a really nice profile picture, which can either be of you, if you're more of a kind of personal brand, or a picture of your logo. That's absolutely fine too. Then you want to create a keyword-rich bio. So tell people what you do and how you can help them, but include keywords within that so that people can find you easier. So the keywords that people are searching Pinterest for right now. And then you want to create your relevant boards. So in the pet industry, whatever you're mainly focused on, if you're a dog walker, create boards around dogs. Lots of different boards around dogs. Then you want to create an Our Articles board that you can pin all of your blog posts to. So all of your blog posts will have a pin graphic, and they'll go straight into your articles board where everyone can find them and click through to your blog posts. So create that board. Then create your pin graphics with an image and a text overlay. Okay, so pin graphics need to be vertical, ideally, rather than horizontal. So they need to be taller rather than wider. So that's a ratio of 2:3. And you want to choose a lovely, sharp, crisp image, preferably of pets, animals, because that's what gets people clicking them. And then you want to include a text overlay, which would be the headline of your blog post. So you can use a number of tools to create these pin graphics. I like Canva personally, but you can also use PicMonkey, or if you're particularly savvy with designing graphic design stuff, use Photoshop. I used to use Photoshop, but Canva just seems to be much quicker to just turn them out, so I just use that now. And then you want to upload your pin. So upload your new pin image to Pinterest and create a description, a great description with keywords in there. You should also include a call to action. So say, if you want to find out more about this, click the pin to go through to my blog post. You should also add hashtags, popular hashtags, so people can find your pin easier. Then pop in your URL in the section that includes the URL on that when you're adding your pin, and add it to your articles board. Then to get more eyeballs, because this is what it's all about, get more eyeballs on your pins, start joining group boards. So start joining group boards that are very relevant to your products and services, your business. In my case, because I'm a dog blogger, I join lots and lots of group boards related to dogs. So then I can be added as a contributor, which means that I can add my pins, my blog post pins, to those group boards, and lots of new people can find them and then click on them and click through to my blog post. I've been building my audience that way, and it's incredibly effective. So join as many group boards as you possibly can. That should be one of your main missions on Pinterest is just getting as many group board collaborations as possible. And yes, I've included my Pinterest checklist in the comments below, and this will show you everything essentially that you need to do to optimize your profile, Pinterest best practices, all that kind of stuff. There's lots and lots of great stuff in there, so it's worth downloading and grabbing that if you want to get on Pinterest, which I suggest you do if you are a pet business, because it is just awesome. It's blown my mind. It's just out of this world, that platform. Okay, so that was a quick one, but yeah, get on Pinterest, guys. And if you have any questions, pop those below, and I'll get back to you later today. Yeah, and I'll see you tomorrow again. See you then.